Welcome to TL Store, helping you make bricks, one brick at a time. Today we're taking you through the full process of making high-quality 3D paving bricks using our molds. We begin with the first mold. This paving brick is made using a plain concrete mix. The mix ratio is 1 part cement, 2 parts river sand, and 2 parts gravel. This combination provides strength, durability, and a clean, professional finish. Once the mold is filled, we switch on the vibrating table for a few seconds. This removes trapped air, helps the concrete settle properly, and ensures a dense, solid paving brick. Now we move over to the second 3D paving mold. This one starts differently. The first layer is a concrete mix blended with red oxide. This creates a rich, consistent color that enhances the 3D design of the paving brick. After the colored layer is placed, we add the second layer using the same concrete mix. 1 part cement, 2 parts river sand, and 2 parts gravel. This completes the paving brick and ensures a strong bond between layers. Once again, the vibrating table is switched on. This allows the layers to settle together and form a solid, durable finish. The following day, once the concrete has properly set, we begin removing the paving bricks from the molds. We start with the paving brick that includes the red oxide layer.
One brick at a time. TS.
After that, we remove the plain paving brick. And that's the complete process of making 3D paving bricks using our molds. At TL Store, we focus on quality, simplicity, and results, helping you make bricks one brick at a time.